Imagine a world driven by innovation, where ideas become reality. This is where great things are made, where brands grow and solutions take shape, crafted with care and precision. At Noble Paragon, we excel in providing OEM customization services that meet the specific needs of our clients worldwide. Our state-of-the-art production line is fully equipped with advanced machinery, ensuring that every stage of manufacturing, from initial design to final production, our factory is outfitted with all the essential machines required to build high-quality printers from start to finish. This includes CNC machines for precision parts, injection molding systems for custom printer housings, SMT lines for assembling circuit boards, and laser cutting machines for precise detailing. With all processes under one roof, we maintain strict control over quality and deliver faster turnaround times. Our skilled teams work closely with customers to create tailored solutions. Whether it's custom branding, specific design requirements, or unique functionalities, we collaborate every step of the way to bring your vision to life. At Noble Paragon, we're not just manufacturing products, we're crafting your brand's identity. In addition to our hardware capabilities, we offer app customization services. Our expert design team develops applications tailored to your business needs, from custom interfaces and user-friendly features to brand-specific experiences. At Noble Paragon, we provide a comprehensive range of services designed to help you succeed in the global market. OEM customization services, app customization services, market development support, online media promotion and support, product videos and graphic materials support, and 24/7 product after-sales service support. From troubleshooting and technical assistance to handling customer inquiries, our team is always available. We offer round-the-clock support to ensure you receive the best service every time. Whether it's technical support, customer inquiries, or after-sales services, we handle it all. Join us in shaping the future of technology and market development. We don't just deliver products, we deliver partnerships that empower your brand to succeed globally.